Are you looking for the best cordless drill? In this video, we will break down the top 5 cordless drills on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dewalt DCD791D2 Cordless Drill. This cordless hammer drill features a smooth-running brushless motor. It provides 57% more runtime than the standard motor. It has a 2-speed transmission that is high speed with 3 different drive modes. It comes with a half-inch ratcheting, keyless chuck. It has an ergonomic handle that ensures a better grip with a balanced feel. It feels super light and comfortable to use. The kit includes 2 XR Li-ion batteries, a charger, and a carry case that hold the entire kit. It has a 2-speed transmission that is high speed with 3 different drive modes. It comes with a half-inch ratcheting, keyless chuck. At number 2. Makita XDT14RLXT Impact Driver. It delivers all of the above in a compact size with a superior power-to-weight ratio. The kit includes 2 efficient 18 volts LXT 2.0Ah batteries, and each reaches a full charge in only 25 minutes, the fastest charge time in the category, for less downtime and increased productivity. It combines a full 1550 N lbs of fastening torque with category-leading precision features. Quick Shift Mode is an automatic electronic controller that downshifts and reduces rotation and impact speed prior to driving the screw into place. It is engineered to minimize screw thread stripping, screw breakage, and damage to work. For faster tightening of self-drilling screws, use the tightening mode and avoid damage to the screw or workpiece. These precision settings, combined with 3-speed power settings, give users more control for a wide range of fastening tasks, from cabinet screws and deck screws to lag bolts, and much more. At number 3. DeWalt DCF620B ScrewGun. This cordless screw gun has a 4,400 revolutions per minute brushless motor. It has a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90 money-back guarantee. The Li-ion battery with fuel gauge provides 33% more capacity than standard packs. This motor ensures the maximum amount of runtime. The DeWalt features an ergonomic design that gives it more balance than the corded models. The lock-on nose cone locks securely yet remove easily. It has an attachment for you to add to a collated magazine. It offers superior performance and fast application speed, along with maximum speed and control and high torque capability for a wide range of applications. It is ergonomically designed for less worker fatigue and provides optimum runtime for a variety of jobs. At number 4. Hitachi DB3DL2 Cordless Screwdriver Kit. This 1/4-inch hex drive screwdriver is lightweight and powerful and is perfect for tradesmen and contractors. Underneath a sink or in between cabinets, this drill fits in most spaces and is ideal for woodworking and home improvement. It is powered by a 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and has 3 times the battery life of traditional batteries. Dual position handle converts from straight to pistol grip for added versatility. This product features a max lock torque of 44 pounds, a spindle lock mechanism, and an adjustable clutch with 21-stage torque. In cabinets or underneath sinks, the built-in LED light provides superior visibility and is perfect for unlit closets. At number 5. Milwaukee M18 2605-20. This 7/8 inches SDS Plus rotary hammer drill packs an impressive 1.8 FTLBs of impact energy. It has a powerful and dependable brushless motor. It is an 18 volts drill that is one of the most compact drivers of this type. Its feature prevents over-discharge, overloading, and overheating. It has a ratcheting lock chuck to secure your bits. The ergonomically designed handles and grips absorb shock to give a secure and comfortable grip. It combines superior electronics and advanced mechanism design to provide up to 2x longer life than competitive cordless rotary hammers.